But the police have let me look at their Mustang. Blippy! Woo! That's the way to do it. We've been impounded, I'm afraid, folks. Welcome to the next episode. This is Pete C from Cortina City, and we've been impounded. But we're going to get the car out. Don't worry, the police are very nice. They've also taken this Mustang here. So, yeah, they're all over the place. We're in a lot of trouble. We're in a lot of trouble. Jim, help me. Yeah, hiya. It's Pete calling. Just want to make sure it's alright to go up the hard knock past here. We've heard things are pretty sketchy up there. Yeah, give us every report you can as soon as it comes in. This is Pete C from Cortina City, and this is the hard knock pass. It's like you say that's 1914.
Yeah.
Served didn't want that. But I wouldn't. You're going to scrap that. That's a proper 70s. This is proper 70s.
You ought to put it in your boot.
That ain't going in. Mind you, you'll get 20 extra horsepower, won't we?
Yeah.
Is it a 20? Oh, 25.